As you can see, it's really freaking cold out there. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Red Stang. It's so freaking cold, as you can tell. It's like minus 12 right now. I've been putting the office together, so we can go check out the new computer and everything. Come on, let's go. Alright. So here is the, I guess, office. It's where I used to do a lot of my videos. I still do all my editing in here. I've always done all my editing in here, but it's a little bit different now. Let me show you. So I've got the racing seat that I used to use for racing sims. It's in my desk. It works pretty good for now. I plan on moving it over to this corner once I get all this crap moved out of here. And in this area right here, making like a table that comes down, and then like this area will be all editing, and then I can just slide down over here, and this will be gaming. And then, cause I still want to block this window because I like the light that this window brings in. But not much here. We see we got like the old ass monitor. I got the monitor, this really basic HP keyboard, and I don't even know what this is, but it's like it's a mouse obviously, but it's got like a ball. I don't know. I got all this stuff for free. It's just until I get by. We're gonna get a mechanical keyboard, really nice mouse, a nice great big flat screen, all the essentials, Right here is the computer. I have the face off of it right now, but I don't know if you guys can see that too well. The lighting in here sucks. I've got this super tiny lamp that I have no idea where it came from, but it's supposed to be for like a nightstand, and it's lighting up the whole room. So we have to figure that out. Let's see if we can open this up. Maybe. There it goes. Here's the computer. I don't really remember all the stats on it. I built it, but I don't remember what all the parts are because Kyle from Automotive Anarchy just kind of said, hey, yeah, that goes there. Oh, yeah, that goes there. I'm like, okay, I can plug stuff in. I'm pretty good at that. So, yeah, I don't know. There's like a kind of a lame graphics card, though, he told me. So we're gonna upgrade the graphics card. I can just go right here. We have the Thrustmaster 458 Italia. What is it? Thrustmaster TX or something like that. I think that's what it is. I don't remember. We got the pedals over here too. That's what I use for gaming. I don't game nearly as much as I used to, but now that I have a PC, I probably will start getting back into it. Incense burner that I made with a piece of wood and a drill. I like to have incense when I work. Here's the old setup where we used to do all of our editing. Just some really crappy laptop that really sucks at like everything. And then I stickered it out. But no more. No. We are going to be like semi sort of professional. What else do we have? We have the, obviously, the Manfrotto tripod. We have right here, I have my easel with my sketch pad. I used to do a lot of drawing back in the day. But now we do storyboards. Yeah, I have an idea for a storyboard for some videos. So, yeah, it's starting to it's starting to get there. We still need to pick up, like I said, the monitor. I'm going to try to pick up a new monitor this weekend. Money's been pretty tight lately, so I haven't been doing a lot. What else? We gonna get keyboard and a mouse soon. Like I said, this is all just supposed to get me by until, you know, whenever. We also have up here a mod list, I guess you should say. And it's kind of categorized, and I got all my money, how I'm gonna pay for everything. Over here, we just have some tools because I don't really have nowhere to put them right now. Got tools everywhere in this house. We have hood struts that my girlfriend bought me and I still haven't put on yet. We got our mic bag and our mic box still. But yeah, just a little quick video. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. Plan on all the videos becoming much better here shortly, because now I'll be able to use Premiere rather than Movie Maker. I'll be able to use After Effects. I have all of the editing programs, but that little piece of crap over there, I couldn't run it without lagging like crazy, or it would just crash out because I couldn't run it at all. So now we're going to be a little bit more legit. I'm getting a shoulder rig, a Steadicam, and maybe some lenses here in the pretty soon. So summer of 2019 is gonna be popping. We got a lot of mods planned for this summer too. We are planning on doing the bolt-ons that I've been talking about forever. That's gonna be my tax refund. That's literally the very first thing that I'm buying. We're going to be doing some aero. We're going to try to sell the truck. I don't know if I have it sold for sure, but if I do still have it sold, we're going to buy aero with that. Maybe some suspension mods. I was planning on doing a lot of suspension mods, but I think I might leave the suspension alone and take some money and put it aside just in case I might need it, because like I said, money's been tight around here. I want to really get some really wide wheels. I want to get some 19 by 10s and do a 305 setup all the way around with some Nitto and T05s, but I don't know if we can do that right away. That's going to be a bust my ass in the summertime with a bunch of overtime thing. I might have it by fall. So I don't know about tires, but we'll have the power and we'll have the aero. But yeah, that's about it. That's all I can think of, guys. Try to stay warm out there. Peace.